With hands-on and topic-based activity, the children learned through exploration and play, identifying which animals are on the farm, homes of animals, young ones of animals, the products they give and the sounds they each make were reinforced through a range of activities as well as singing many rhymes.
So now we are entering into Alphabetz Animal Fest. Yes? Now this is what is this? Farmhouse. And can you name some animals in farm?
Sheep, goat, donkey, ox, horse, hen, pig.
Okay. Now, what is this? What is cow? Cow lives in a
Shed.
shed. Yes. And cow says
Moo.
moo moo. Cow says
Moo.
cow gives us
Milk.
milk. What all can we make from milk? We can make cheese, curd.
Curd.
Yes.
Yes.
Cheese, curd, butter.
Butter.
Okay. What is this?
Pig.
Pig lives in a
Sty.
sty. And then what is this?
Hen.
Hen lives in a
Coop.
coop. Hen lays
Eggs.
eggs. Very good. Where does rabbit stay?
Burrow.
Burrow. What does rabbit eat?
Carrot.
Carrot. What does mouse eat? Mouse eats
Cheese.
cheese. And then what is this? This is a stable.
Stable.
Who stays in stable?
Horse.
Horse lives in a stable. Now what is this?
Sheep.
Sheep. What does sheep give us?
Wool.
Sheep gives us
Wool.
wool. And now what is this? What is this?
Kennel.
Kennel. Gitika, can you tell me something about cat and dog? Tell me. Tell me, Gitika. Cat.
Cat drinks milk. Dog drinks milk. Cat eats fish and rat. Dog eats bones.
Then cat lives in a
Cat. Dog lives in a kennel.
yes, very good. And where do birds live?
Tree.
They live on tree and then they make
Nest.
nest. Birds make
Nest.
yes. And what is this?
Turtle.
Tortoise.
Turtle.
And all these are the products from which animal give us. Cow gives us milk, yes. So from cow we can make ghee, butter, cheese, ice cream, curd, buttermilk,
Buttermilk.
paneer.
Paneer.
And what does rabbit eat?
Carrot.
Carrot. And what do hen eat? Grains. Show me where are the grains? Yes. And sheep gives us wool. From wool we can make sweater.
Sweater.
Yes, we can make sweater. And animals are also very useful to us. Yes. Tia, can you tell me the homes of animals?
Animals are
Animal, cow lives in a
shed. Cow lives in a shed. Dog lives in a kennel. Cat lives in a house. Horse lives in a stable. Dog lives in a kennel.
duck,
Duck lives in a pond. Pig lives in a stall.
cow,
Cow lives in a shed. Hen lives in a coop. Sheep lives in a pen.
rabbit.
Rabbit lives in a burrow.
Very good. Now tell me something about animals. So animals are
Animals are friends. We should not eat animals. They help us.
yes. So animals also help us. How do animals help us? Horse is used for riding.
Riding.
Donkeys help in carrying loads. Yes, they can carry loads. Dog guards our house.
Dog guards the house.
And cats help in keeping the mice away from the house. Yes?
Yes.
And then ox is used to plow the field. Ox is used to plow the
Field.
field. Hen. Hen lives in a coop. It lays eggs. Rabbit lives in a burrow. It eats carrot. Rat lives in a hole. Horse lives in a stable. It is used for riding. Yes, sheep. Sheep is a bull. It stays in a pen. Dog. Dog lives in a kennel. It eats bones. Duck. See, duck. Duck lives in a pond. Yes. See now. Everyone look at me. Look at me. Okay. One day. A hare. And a tortoise. Decided to. Run away. The hare. Said the tortoise. You are a slow fellow. You cannot run a race with me. Finally, the race began. Slowly, the tortoise moved on and moved on and reached the winning pole. Finally, the tortoise won the race. What is the moral of the story? Moral of the story. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. Wins the race. Very good, children. Donkey says, hee-haw. The horse says, neigh. The pig says, oink, oink. The sheep says, Baa Baa. The duck says, quack, quack. The cat says, meow, meow. Okay, clap. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With the moo here, with the moo there. Yeah, moo there, moo everywhere, moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some dogs. E-I-E-I-O. With the bow bow here, with the bow bow there. Here about, there about, everywhere about, bow. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had